Hello everyone, let's discuss our next lesson of class 10th, Long Walk to Freedom, written by Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela, and also describing his journey from a common person to the first black president of South Africa on May 10, 1994 to June 1999. And let's discuss the most expected questions of board exams. And let's start. First one is, where did the ceremony take place, when, and can you name any public building in India that are made of sandstone? The ceremony took place in Amphitheatre of Union Building in Pretoria City, and Red Fort, Jama Masjid and Parliament House of India also made of sandstone. Next one is, what do military generals do? How has their attitude changed? Why? Military generals are now saluted Nelson Mandela because he became the first black president of South Africa. Next one is, how Mandela described the system of government in the first decade and in the final decade of 20th century. The policy of apartheid is starting in the starting of 20th century, and it finally abolished in the final decade of 20th century. According to Mandela, what is meaning of courage? Absence of fear is not the meaning of courage. In fact, the triumph over fear is called courage. Means किसी चीज से डर ना होना साहस नहीं है, बल्कि अपने डर पे काबू पाना, अपने डर को दूर करना ही साहस है. नेक्स्ट है, विच इज नेचुरल, लव और हेट? नेचुरल क्या है, लव है या हेट है? ऑब्वियसली लव इज नेचुरल. एंड व्हाट इज द ट्रू स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ अ नेशन? इट्स पीपल आर द ट्रू स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ अ नेशन. Describe twin obligation. One obligation to his family and one obligation to his people, to his country. What was meaning of freedom as a boy and as a student? As a boy, meaning of freedom for Nelson Mandela, it is an illusion. And as a student, he want freedom for only himself. But when he become adult, he not even demanding freedom for himself, but for his countrymen, his people also. How did Mandela hunger for freedom changed his life? Completely बदल दिया था. जो भूख थी फ्रीडम की, उसने उसके जीवन को पूरी तरह से बदल दिया था. What ideal does he set out for the future of South Africa for liberating his country from all bondage like poverty, apartheid, gender inequality, deprivations, suffering, all? And why did he thank international leader? Because they come to congratulate Nelson Mandela as being the first black president of India.